Okay, go. Marley, can you say thank you to Nana?
Thank you.
And
Thank you, Cha-Cha.
thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
And thank you to Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
And thank you to Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Okay, why don't you spin it around and show them? Whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Where are all the dolls? Why don't you show Grandma how you can put the doll on the couch? You want to put one of the dolls in the bed? Why don't you put sister in her bed?
There's a sister up there. That's the sister.
That's the brother.
Yeah.
And why don't you put them in their bed right there?
You want to go in here?
Oh, they want to go on this side?
Mommy.
What's Grandpa doing?
Doing a barbecue.
Oh, he's doing the barbecue?
Yeah.
Where are you going to put? Oh, are you putting them in bed with Mom? Oh, that's nice. Are they snuggling with Mommy?
Snuggling with Mommy.
Say bye.